Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get UCL pass credit, how to challenge chapter master task of UCL quest in EA Sports FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the game or event, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this a quest button and go to the UCL quest. So in this quest you can complete total 9 tasks. I already done 6 tasks of 9. So one of the tasks that I must do is chapter master. So you can complete 3 weekly promotion matches and you can get UCL pack and also 200 UCL pass credit. So tomorrow you can tap go first. You can play this weekly promotion match a 30 times. So tomorrow we'll refresh and maybe there is a new ticket that you can get. So you need a ticket, as you can see, you need ticket, UCL Challenger ticket to play this UCL promotion match. So good luck to complete this task. It takes your time but it's very worth it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.